Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 3rd to the 9th. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is this booster that I think most of us got a couple days back. Now, what is curious about this is it starts on the 1st, which is Friday, and then it ends on January the 1st of 2024, which is weird. I just threw in a very expensive $42 Regenerist Olay lotion, hoping that the booster from earlier in the week, along with this, with the two stack, and they are not stacking. So I think this one, that's a typo. I think it's just from the 3rd to the 9th. But it's typical that Walgreens sometimes makes mistakes with the start and end dates. So just be mindful of that. One piece of news I want to talk about is that IBOTTA has a $2 rebate for all, either the liquid or the packs. If you did this deal earlier in the week, without a coupon, it would be $1.99, and then with the coupon, it would probably be like 99 cents, or if you have the $1.50 digital, 49 cents. Do the deal however you want, but IBOTTA, little rebate for you. And I know a lot of you, because you love all, you probably did the deal without a digital coupon. So definitely look through IBOTTA and apply for this rebate. And you have an up to a week post to apply for a rebate. So even if you bought it on Sunday, you can still qualify for that rebate for the all with the IBOTTA app. Now, a lot of you know that I have been in and out of Dollar General since Tuesday. They have a massive, massive surprise penny list. And on Friday, I went to a store for fun and I found 23 items. So guys, definitely check out the videos linked at the end. I know a lot of us are struggling and, you know, your dollar isn't getting stretched the way that it used to. This is definitely something you want to check out, especially if your Dollar General might have these items. I have a couple videos where I show you UPCs. Check them out, linked at the very end. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, December the 3rd. We are just looking at deals and previewing them. The first dealios we're going to look at is these holiday deals of the week. We have a buy two, get one for free on Hallmark, 50% off of the Ferrero Rocher, and this one, I want to talk about it right off the bat, $7.49. Unless you're rich, this is not a deal. Also, more deals of the week, buy two, get two for free, Sprite, Coca-Cola, $1.78 for that Magic Mix or Trail Mix, yummy, $5.99 for the Russell Stouffer's, and BOGO 50% off for Scott. Another fantastic deal of the week is the buy one, get two for free on the Complete Home. I'm totally out of like half-gallon bags. There's usually $2.79 for the first one, so divided by 3, it's 93 cents per. This is even cheaper than the Dollar Tree, so time to start shopping over at Walgreens. We also have this, and this is a deal we're going to kind of speculate about. Gillette razors and systems, $8 reward when you buy two. If Venus is included in this deal, guess what, guys? We have two digital coupons that include a $3 for the men's and a $3 for the women. So if you have these two loaded, looking at a deal, grabbing two of the razors at $10 a pop, that was $20, subtracting the two $3 digitals, that's 6 off. You're going to pay $14, get back an $8 register reward, making it $6 for the two or $3 per razor. That's a very good deal, especially for Gillette or Venus. We're going to have to wait and see Sunday morning if Venus is included, and if it is, it's rock and roll time. And let's not forget, if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you're doing this deal with no booster, by all means go for it. Now we're looking at a little deal with the Crest for $5 or Oral-B. $5 reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these products for $15. We're going to have a 5 off 3 digital. You're going to pay $10, get back one $5 register reward, making it 5 for the 3 or $1.66 per item. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Next deal that we're going to look at is with the Pantene, $5 to $10. We're going to get a $5 reward when you buy 3. Don't do this in the same transaction as Crest. I think it's on the same promotion. Anyhow, 3 of these is $15 on the nose, subtracting a 5 off 3 digital, pay $10, get back a $5 register reward, and it's very similar to the last one. It's $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per Pantene, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Like, I love Pantene. Definitely going to do this deal. The Dawn dish soap is back for $1.24. $1 reward when you buy 2 of these. So guys, you're going to pick up 2 of these dish soaps for $2.48. Get back your $1 register reward, making this $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Dish soap is also on the same promotion, but I know that it is almost impossible to track this guy down, but it would be just a little bit more out of pocket and you'd get the same register reward as the Dawn, you know, making it cheap, but still $1.49 for these. They're almost impossible to track down. Now this is a super duper deal. The Oscar Mayer bacon is buy one, get one free. That is crazy. Get a rain check if they are not in stock. 2 of them would be $8.99, dropping it down to $4.49 per pack of bacon. This is a stock up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash. You're doing this with no booster, but I absolutely would ask for a rain check for this specific product because this is cheap. The Hershey's holiday candy is BOGO 50% off, and we have $1 off 2 IVC. Plus, we have a 2 off 2 digital. So for this specific deal, you're going to have these 2 coupons loaded to your store card, both the IVC and that digital coupon. So have them loaded. Grabbing 2 of those bags, they're $5.99 for the first. It's actually $8.98 for the 2 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting your manufacturer and the IVC, you're paying $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This deal definitely has some potential. $5.49 for these more expensive P&G laundry care products. $5 reward when you purchase 4 of them. Now, I know we had digital coupons to go with these a couple weeks back. If something resets on Sunday, this potentially could be a really good deal to pick up 4 of them for $21.96, $5 reward. You know, if there's $5 of coupons, you know, it would drop this down to a $11.96 for the 4, pairing it with a booster, even better, a paper and a digital. This has a ton of potential. We have to wait and see the digital coupons that we get on Sunday morning. So let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is this Roku. It's an Express, and the second one is a 4K streaming player. Interesting stuff. $5 or $10 off if you bought a TV or gifting a TV for Christmas. A great thing to grab to go along with the television. We have a buy one, get one free on the Frosted Mini Wheats. Check IBOTTA in case there might be some rebates for this. This also piques my interest, the Hallmark greeting cards. And we're going to have a 4 off 2 digital. Closer to Christmas, they really start to provide more generous coupons. So maybe we're going to get some freebies with the Monday curbside video. And the Dial body wash and bar soap. I'm wondering if digital coupons will be appearing for both of these. Closing off this video, we have the Nivea body wash, $5 reward when you buy 3. I'm just curious if we might have a code to go with that for the Monday video, looking at curbside offers like Nivea to save an extra $5 or something, possibly another great deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.